Hello everyone. This is our project G1, an organ donation and stem cell blockchain ledger. We aim to provide a secure platform for organ donation. As we all know, the major threat nowadays is related to organ trafficking, and for that, there is no system to register the complaints on. Apart from this, the preliminary process of organ transplant is itself quite cumbersome. Moreover, the records are also prone to cyber threats, and there is no portal for the recipients to interact with to resolve their queries.
Our portal speeds up the process of donation of an organ by cutting down on the time spent in logistics of the necessary paperwork between the different parties involved in the donation process. The parties involved in the process, namely the recipient, donor, doctors, and the government authorities, would have to upload the necessary documents on the portal, ensuring minimal delay in the documents reaching the required party, while also adding transparency to the whole procedure, making sure that no recipient is denied an organ due to malpractices on the doctors or the government level. For ensuring this, each party would have to approve of the different steps involved in the donation process, and if they feel that the correct norms are not being followed, they can file a complaint too on the portal itself.
Each person in the supply chain will have a dashboard where he can view his entire transplant history, including the transaction hashes, the block timestamp on the Ethereum blockchain. He can view the personal details pertaining to the blockchain credentials stored on the Ethereum blockchain, as well as the IPFS hashes for the respective documents. He can also view the analytics pertaining to the growth rate of donors uh, specific to the organ he requires and the decrement in the rate of organ trafficking in the country. He will also be able to receive monetary donations from NGOs and organizations which help recipients in need. Our application revolves around the concept of decentralized applications, which are applications built upon the Ethereum blockchain using smart contracts. We have used this method to eradicate the problem of organ trafficking from India. The use of blockchain technology provides greater transparency because the version of the blockchain can only be updated through common consensus, which means everyone should agree upon it. The use of blockchain also provides enhanced security because the transactions must be agreed upon by everyone and are recorded on a public blockchain, which are mined through proof of work and proof of stake concepts. It also provides improved traceability, increased efficiency and speed, and we thoroughly believe that the use of blockchain technology can eradicate the problem of organ trafficking from India.